welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Klaiyi hair. I think that's how it's pronounced. But they sent me this beautiful ginger wig. I think this is in either 24 or 26 inches. I don't remember, but this is the color 30, number 30 I think, but it's a ginger wig. So I went ahead and I bleached the hair off camera. I did it before. As soon as I get all my wigs, I try to just bleach them and get that out the way. But if you do want a video with me, you know, bleaching the hair and stuff, I could definitely do that. But let me know in the description box, or I might just do one regardless. So right away when I took out the hair was very soft. I love the curls. Like the curls was for me, you know what I'm saying? Like it wasn't too trashy, surprisingly, because I thought for a second that because it was ginger, because you know sometimes when you color curly hair it gets a little bit trashy. This was not trashy at all. The hairline was pre-plucked, so you really do not need to pluck it. But for me, I like going in, and I say this in all my videos, I like plucking my wigs even though it's already like pre-plucked. I just feel like I need to pluck a little bit more. I don't know, that's just me. But what I did was just part out some in the front, plucked behind the hairline, comb back some of the hair, and I went ahead and plucked some of the hairline once more. So that's what I did for plucking, and as you can see, it really looks more natural. It looks like somebody's hairline, because you know normal hairline is not that thick. So yeah, and I also went in with my hot comb just to press it out so I could see exactly what it looks like. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what the packaging looks like and what they sent me. They sent me some stocking cap, they sent me some lashes, they sent me some scarf and some clip that I could use to put my hair away when I am not like doing that part, and they also sent me the bag to put my wig in. So guys, after doing my ball cap method, I went ahead and I applied my makeup to my wig. But I just wanted to show you guys the inside of the wig and how it's looking. It came with the 3 combs, 2 in the sides, 1 at the back. You see how stretchy that wig was? Like, it's very stretchy. I was so happy because lately I've been getting wigs that have 0 to no stretch, and when you put it on your head, it's like, you know, it keeps pulling your hair, the wig back, and it doesn't matter what you do, like, because it's so small and it has no stretch in it, the wig keeps pulling off, and like it doesn't matter how strong the glue is, 2 days after, 3 days after, the wig is pulling back. I don't like that. So when my wigs have stretch in it, like, it's better for my wigs to have a little bit of stretch or a little bit bigger than my head, because I have space to actually lay it properly on my forehead, on my skin. I don't have to be putting it directly on my hairline, and then even when it's on my hairline, it's like it's still not big enough or stretchy enough. I don't like that. So thank you for this. I appreciate the fact that it was so stretchy. But right now what I'm doing is just making sure that it fits my head. I'm then going to go ahead and mark where I want to place my glue. Also guys, I've had people in my DMs on Instagram asking me where do I put the glue. The glue is always in front of my stocking cap. Worse, if it's HD lace, it's better to melt the HD lace to your actual skin and not the cap. The cap is a little bit lighter than your skin tone. Normally it is, because your scalp is always lighter than your actual skin. So you don't want to put the wig on the stocking cap, because the front of your head is like, the front part is going to be white. It's not going to be skin like, and we're trying to get skin like. So especially for HD lace, it's best to put it on your skin directly, because HD lace, if you think about it, HD lace is already, it blends to whatever skin tone it is, you know. So sometimes you don't even need to put your makeup on it, but if you want, it helps to blend it a little bit more. But because it does melt with any type of skin tone, putting it directly on your skin will give you that melt that you're looking for. It will melt directly to your skin. If you put it on your stocking cap, it will melt to the stocking cap, and your stocking cap is normally lighter than your actual skin tone, like I said, because your scalp is lighter than your actual skin tone. So if you put it directly on your stocking cap, it's going to show a little bit, like you're gonna have that white extra to shade lighter than your actual skin. You don't want that. So make sure to put your glue on your skin after you use your skin protectant, and put your lace on your skin and not the stocking cap. Put it above the stocking cap. Honestly, for my baby hairs, I was kind of confused as to what to do. I'm kind of just, I don't know, I've been running out of ideas to do with my baby hairs because sincerely, I've been living for like that soft blow, like comb out, I should say. I don't know why I say blow up, but soft combed out baby hairs. I've been loving them. But I just feel like when you have curly hair, it's like, you could get away with the twirling and the swirling of the baby hairs. So at one point I was gonna do the soft baby hairs, but then I'm like, it's a curly wig, so I might as well just do the twirling. So to do the twirling, I have different methods or different products that I use for all of my baby hairs. If I'm going to do the combed out method, where I put the, make it dry and then comb it out so it looks soft and fluffy as if there's no product in it, I will go ahead and use the mousse. Okay, the mousse that I use is from Walmart. You can use any mousse that has no alcohol in it. If I'm going to do the swirly baby hairs, like the baby hairs that I did on this wig, I normally would go in with some edge control and I mix it with the Got To Be gel because it gives it a stronger hold. And sometimes sometimes the edge control it does turn into oil. So regardless of what edge control it is, sometimes it actually turns into oil. So to be on the safe side, if you're not sure, just mix it with a little bit of Got To Be. You don't want to mix it too much because it will make your baby hairs white. So mix it with a little bit. But yeah, that's for these type of baby hairs that I did here. If I'm doing like, when you curl your baby hairs and pretty much just make it lay in whatever direction it's going, I will use the Got To Be spray. So it's 3 options. You can use baby hairs and not baby hairs, edge control and Got To Be gel, mousse for the combed out sprayed one, and if you want it to just go in the direction that it's already flowing, then it's better to use Got To Be spray. But yeah, I really need to I don't know, I want to do something to tell you guys more in-depth things because I can't really to do. Maybe I'll just do an unedited video at one point where I do literally everything step by step and not take out anything. I don't know, but I have a lot of persons in my DMs asking me what do I use, and even though I will tell them come on my YouTube channel, because even though the videos are sped up, I always try to let you guys know what I'm doing, but for some reason people just refuse to come on my YouTube channel, hence why my YouTube is growing but slower than my Instagram and my TikTok because they refuse to come on my YouTube. And YouTube is where I actually go more in depth as opposed to like a 1 minute video on TikTok or Instagram or a picture on Instagram. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then I'll come back maybe at the end of the video or wherever I need to come in and say a few words. This is pretty much the final look. I'm always skeptical whenever I'm supposed to do a middle part with curly hair. I don't know why. I like doing curly hairs. I like doing side part with curly hairs, but this wasn't so bad, and I actually like the way the baby hairs turned out. The front part was, even though it's like a little bit extra with the swirling and twirling, it still was a subtle It was giving me subtle vibes, and since lately I've been living for subtle vibes. If y'all didn't notice, my nails have been short, but yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I would like to thank Klaiyi here for sponsoring this video. Absolutely love this color on me. Love the curl pattern, was soft, and you know, yeah, I loved everything about this hair. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to check out other videos that I have already posted. And yeah, don't forget to follow my Instagram, my TikTok, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.